Want to take a screenshot on your iPhone but not sure of the easiest way? In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 simple methods you can use to take a screenshot in just a few seconds. Whether you want to use the physical buttons or a hidden feature that allows you to take screenshots without pressing any buttons at all, this guide will show you how. Let's get started. The basic way to take a screenshot is by pressing the volume up button and the side button at the same time. Press both buttons simultaneously, and your iPhone will capture whatever is currently displayed on your screen. But what if your buttons are broken, not working properly, or you simply want an easier way to take screenshots? In that case, open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a little, find the Accessibility section and tap on it. After that, scroll down and find the Touch section, then tap on it. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you'll see the Back Tap option. Tap on it. You can then choose either double tap or triple tap. I'll select double tap. You'll see a list of different actions that can be triggered by tapping the back of your iPhone. Scroll through the list, find the screenshot option, and tap on it. Once you've done that, whenever you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone, simply double tap or triple tap the back of your device, depending on whether you selected double tap or triple tap. And that's it. Those are 2 easy ways to take a screenshot on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.